Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save live to archive on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile section at the bottom of the screen and click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the page. Click to the settings and privacy option, and in the your app and media section you can find the first option, the archiving and downloading. Here you can find the second option, the save live to archive, and if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.